What's up guys, this is iDevice Lab 009 and in today's video I have great news. Veteris has been revived and it's working again.
Stop the cap!
No, I am not capping, this is actually real. So after Veteris has shut down, the developer has decided that he wants to make Veteris open source, which means that everyone can use its code to try to revive it or make something better out of it. And Victor has been successfully able to revive Veteris and it's now available at veterisvictorlobe.me and it shows a live progress of how many available IPs there are, and it's the old Veteris as you all know, and I will show you how to get it all set up and ready to go. So the first thing that we need to do is go to Safari and we need to go to this URL veteris.victorlobe.me and we can click go and we can go add to Cydia and this will open in Cydia and add the source for Veteris. We can install the source, return to Cydia, continue to source, all packages, and now we have Veteris and let's click install. Restart Springboard, let's slide to unlock. And there we go, we have Veteris. And let's open up Veteris. And there we go, Veteris actually works. And now, the moment that we've all been waiting for, let's re-explore the old Veteris. We have the featured category, which features all of the games that are available. We have the categories. We have games, lifestyle, navigation, photography, productivity, and much more. Okay, let's say that I want to install Flappy Bird. I can go to search and search for Flappy Bird. There it is, and now we can install any version we want. I can click on 1.2. Let's go to more queue, and as you can see it's downloading and it should install. Perfect, and now it's installed. And now let's go back to our home screen, and there we go, we have Flappy Bird. We don't need to sign into Game Center. Dismiss, and let's see how I do. One. Let's try again. But yeah, other than that, I would recommend that if you download an app, you will not exit Veteris or close the device, because there's a really good chance that it's going to break the download. There we go. It doesn't resume your download. And one more thing to note, connect your device to a power source. As you can see now, it's charging from my power bank. And also go into settings, general, auto lock, and set it to never. So that way your downloads will never be interrupted. And as you can see, here are all the apps that I've installed with Veteris. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Have fun downloading apps with Veteris, and I will catch you in the next one.